Welcome back to our new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off flash notification, incoming call flash notification guys you want to off. So guys you can off in iQOO phone guys. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off flash notification setting in iQOO phone. Today we will talk about it in this video guys, how to off and guys how can you off. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video friends. First of all open your phone setting, then guys click on shortcut at accessibility. After guys you can see flash notification, so guys click here and guys you can see incoming calls and off. So I think friends you have understood how to off flash notification in iQOO phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.